Welcome to our guide on how to avoid specific words in your Twitter searches on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening Twitter on your PC. Click on the search bar to initiate a search. Next, click on the settings icon located within the search bar. Navigate to Advanced Search. Here, you can utilize the Words section. To exclude specific words from your search results, enter those words into the None of these words blank. By following these steps, you can refine your Twitter searches and filter out content that contains particular words you wish to avoid. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to avoid specific words in your Twitter searches on your PC. Enhance your search experience by customizing your search settings to exclude unwanted words. Enjoy a more tailored and relevant search results on Twitter by utilizing the None of these words feature in Advanced Search.